Hey everyone, welcome to this beautiful course called Practical Excel Skills for Intermediate Users. Now my name is Vanessa and I'm going to be your mentor and guide through this beautiful course and assist you in your journey with the concepts and elements that it has to offer. Now this is going to be a course that will guide you on the various functions and formulas that are built in Microsoft Excel. Additionally, you will be introduced to a business intelligence software called Power BI in this course. Now, Excel is an important skill in everyone's world today because of its immense application worldwide. Now, it is so popular that you will find everyone using it in their day-to-day jobs. But the question is, how well do we know to use it? So here we will be focusing on some of the commonly used function groups and using formulas in combination. Likewise, you will also learn about the concepts like data validation and macros, but not many know how to use it well. If you have some experience in Excel, then you will get to learn certain aspects and in-depth knowledge on how and why do we use these features. And yes, I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks throughout the course that I feel will help you a lot in the long run and provide you with an edge on your working with the application. So good luck on your progress and see you in the next videos.